Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, May the 11th, 2021. We have here an additional with extra Sudokus. Sudokus with a 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with a 4 stars. Tectonic with a 1 star. Binary puzzle number one and a binary puzzle number two. Total of 8 extra Sudokus, but I only do 4 of them. Why? Because it's too much for me, time consuming. And for example, if I solve a puzzle in 50 minutes, then I need also 50 minutes to upload it. So only 4 of them I will solve. If there are any requests, you can place in a comment section. But first, we will solve this first Sudoku. Sudoku with 3 stars, and this will be number 2773. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. For a 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 minutes to 30 minutes to solve. For 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. I see here the third column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 9. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. All right. Then. Let me see. How about 7? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in this row. So no 7 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. We have also a 7 and a 5 in this column. So no 7 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. The 7 and a 5 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here 5. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. All right. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. All right. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. All right. Then, how about, let me see, 3, 3, 3, 3, okay. In this row, we have 3 missing numbers. Those 2 numbers are the 2 and the 4, so these 3 missing numbers are left. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. All right. 3, 3. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. 1 and 8. 8. Okay, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 and an 8 in this row, so no 1 and 8 in those 2 boxes. The 1 and an 8 goes in these 2 boxes. 1 and an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. All right. 2, 7, 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in the second row. The 3 and the 9 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Yeah. 6, 7, 8. Let me see. 3, 6. Come on. It's taking too long. 6, 1, and 4. Interesting. 4. All right. 1, 2. All right. In this middle row, 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have 1 number left in the middle row for the number 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 9. All right. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this last column. 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9. No 9 there. Here 9. No 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. All right. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. All right. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. All right. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, no. 4, 5. And the 6 are missing. Okay, 3 numbers. Okay, I need 2 numbers. 2 numbers here. All right, in this big square, those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 1 number left in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. All right, 8 is missing. 8. Yes. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. All right, 2 numbers left, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 2 and the 7, 2 and a 7, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. All right, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 1 and 9. No, 9 we have here. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. All right. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 7 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. All right, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5 is missing. Yes, 5 is missing. Do we have all the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. 2 boxes left, the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. 3 stars? No, I rather give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later in a minute with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. Until then, bye-bye for now.